Hi, we're the UBC Alpha team, and we've been working on a collaborative infographic for the Canadian Cystic Fibrosis Foundation. I'm Cassandra, and I will be going over part of what we've been working on. So here we're going to log into Facebook, and we are going to enter into our application. So this is our application. We have the two tabs, My Collaborative Infographic right here and My Infographics. I'm going to go into our integration with the McGill component in the My Infographics tab. We're going to create a new checklist for a single user. So let's create an infographic for them. And they have the option of choosing from 4 different infographic styles: mountain, kites, as you can see, skier, and then there's a balloon, which we're going to go with. So a user can create and add goals and delete them as they choose to. So we can add some goals here. One more. So we're going to publish our infographic by clicking the Publish button. And this indicates it's been published to Facebook. Since we've just published the infographic to the album, let's take a look over there. So here we are in the user's photo albums, and this is the album we just created for the infographic we just created. As you can see, there's the 3 goals and the hot air balloon. So here we are back at the application, and we're going to go and edit this infographic that we created before. We're going to go and edit it because we've completed some of the goals. Here we checked off the goals that we've completed, and we can publish them. And that will save it. So we've published our completed goals, and you can see on the wall that it indicates that we've achieved our first 2 goals, swimming and cliff diving. If we go into the photo album, so now you can see the completed goals over here, and the infographic is updated to show the progress of the user. So now we're going back to the application, and I'm going to hand it over to Ephraim to show the collaborative infographic.
Hi, I'm Ephraim, and I'm going to walk you through how to create a collaborative infographic. So now that we're back at the application, I'm going to click on the Create New Checklist collaborative button here. So upon clicking the button, the user enters a group name. The user has to associate the collaborative infographic with an existing Facebook group. So we've created a group beforehand called Happy Fun Time. So let's just enter that in. And here we're going to choose the House Collaborative Infographic, and we're just going to click on the Finish button. So once you click on the Finish button, you can see the different tabs across the top, where you can edit the goals, display the goals on a map, invite different friends, publish to Facebook, and close the window. So here in the Edit Goals tab, we're going to add some goals for the users to complete. So we'll enter a goal description. Go swimming. Let's enter a couple more. Watch a hockey game. And maybe go play hockey. So upon completion of the goals, the user can go in and click on the goals that they've completed. So upon clicking on the Display Map tab, the user, once they've completed their goal, can actually add a location. So let's click on that, and we're just going to drag it to where we completed our goal. We'll just zoom in on Vancouver and drop that in there. We'll do it somewhere at UBC. And I'm just going to click on Save Location. So what that does is whenever another user goes in to view the goal, they can see what I did at that location. So say I added a location, but it happened to be the wrong location and I want to change its position on the map. All I have to do is click on Change Location, and that will allow me to drag the marker around some more. So let's drop it in somewhere around Point Roberts. And I'm just going to save the location, and as you can see, it is still the same goal that it is associated to. And if a user wants to remove a location, they can simply press on Remove Location under the corresponding goal. So if I click this, it should remove the location on the map. Alright, now what's the fun of having a collaborative infographic if you don't have any friends on it? We're going to go and invite some friends to join us in this application. So by clicking on the Invite Friends tab, it will display all of the current users' friends. Say for example we wanted to invite Gerald, we'll just check him off and click on Invite. So once I click on Invite, this will show a success message, and what this actually does is post on the user's wall asking them to join the particular group that this collaborative infographic is associated with and telling them to come check out the application. So I previously added some goals on our checklist, so now I want to publish to my Facebook album photos. All I need to do is click on the Publish button. Once it successfully publishes to Facebook, it will show me a notification saying so. Here you can see that it says infographic was published successfully. Now I'm going to close this, and we should see our new infographic on our main page. So now you can see that the newly created infographic is now being displayed on the application's front page. So now we're just going to have to wait for Gerald to accept our invitation and come join us on this collaborative infographic.
Hi, my name is Matt. I'm going to be playing the role of Gerald. So here we are looking at Gerald's newsfeed. We can see the invitation to the collaborative infographic here. We can see, since we're friends, I can see the update to the album. And since I'm already in the group, I can also see the update in the group. You can also see the new notifications up top here. Since I'm already part of the group, once I enter the application, the new updated infographic is created automatically. So you can see here I've been added to the collaborative infographic. So now let's click on it and edit it. We can see that at the moment I don't have any goals, so they're none displayed there. You can see there's a sold sign because I haven't completed or created any goals. Now let's go ahead and add some goals. Now let's complete this goal. Go to the map. Let's add a location. We can look at the goals from the other users, but it seems they haven't completed any and have not chosen to show the location on the map. I know another friend that might be interested in working on the graphic with us, so I'm going to go and invite him. So as before, this is going to post on my friend's wall, and now I'm going to publish my changes. So it will update for everyone using the infographic. I'm going to close the graphic. Now that we're back in the main page, you can see the updated infographic. Oh, look at this. My friend has messaged me through the infographics group chat. Now let's switch over to my friend I just invited, who's not already a part of the group. Now we're logged logged in as Gerald's friend. We can see the invitation on his wall. And we're not a part of the group, but let's try to go in the application. Oh, look at that. We have a collaborative infographic invitation. So it's telling us to join the Happy Fun Time Facebook group to access it. So now let's go look at the link back on our wall. I'm going to click on the link to the group and ask to join. Once I've joined the group, I can go back to the app and edit the infographic. When I go to the application, I've automatically been added to the infographic. So I can click on it to edit. Now I can look at the map and see where Gerald's completed some of his goals. So I can see that he went swimming in the Indian Ocean.
So that just about sums up our demonstration of the features for our application. Unfortunately, the groups feature didn't work as seamlessly as we first anticipated. However, it is a new feature and updates are still being made that will allow for a smoother user experience. Overall, working on this project has been a lot of fun and we've learned quite a bit during the process. We just want to extend a word of thanks to the Canadian Cystic Fibrosis Foundation for giving us the opportunity to create something so special. We hope that you have the time to give it a try.